The Agoz LED USB-C right-angle fast charging cable is a durable cable that will charge your phone quicker than ever before. Made with a thick nylon braided jacket, the Agoz LED right-angle cable is designed to withstand bends and will last you a long time. Both connectors are reversible and have an L shape at the end. Here is the USB-C connector, which is compatible with all USB-C devices. Although it looks a bit different, this is a USB-A connector and will fit into any standard charging port. Unlike standard cables, this USB-A connector is reversible and does not need to be inserted into the port a certain way. When paired with a fast charging wall adapter, the Agoz LED fast charging cable can charge your phone up to 60% faster than a standard cable. Now let's charge. Fast charging activated.